Kwon Sang-woo is a South Korean actor. Kwon Sang-woo was born on August 5, 1976 in Daejeon, South Korea. He lost his father when he was just 8 months of age. His mother is a Roman Catholic. He attended Hanam University and obtained a BA degree in education. Meanwhile, in 1998, after attending 6 months of first year of university, he was inducted into South Korean Army for military training. He finished his compulsory training in 2001. Unlike many Korean male stars who had to fulfill their mandatory military service at the height of their careers, Kwon completed his military service long before he became an actor. On September 28, 2008, he tied the knot with South Korean actress and former Miss Korea, Sun Tae-young. They have 2 children, a son born on February 6, 2009 and a daughter born on January 10, 2015. In 2009, Kwon established the cosmetics firm Natural Tears, of which he is the owner and CEO as well as the inaugural advertising model for the brand Tears. It was named after his nickname Mr. Tears given to him by fans in recognition of his tear-jerking acting in Stairway to Heaven. Kwon stepped into showbiz as a fashion model and then forayed into acting with the small screen drama Delicious Proposal. He received additional fame for his role in the drama series Stairway to Heaven. In 2016, Kwon starred alongside Choi Kang-hee in the crime comedy drama Queen of Mystery. Kwon reprised his role in the second season of the show, which aired in 2018. In 2018, Kwon starred in crime comedy The Accidental Detective 2 in action. He was also cast in the romantic comedy film Shall We Do It Again? Kwon was cast in his first medical drama in 2013, Medical Top Team, from the director of Moon Embracing the Sun and the writer of Brain. He played a straightforward yet warm-hearted genius surgeon. In 2014, he reunited with Stairway to Heaven co-star Choi Ji-woo in Temptation, about a married debt-ridden businessman who agrees to a deal with a female CEO in exchange for her ownership of his body. He also made his singing debut in a DVD released in Japan in 2010. Cast as the main lead in a Chinese TV series titled Feng Hua Shui Yu, Kwon's role was an Asian-American Broadway producer who comes back to China to stage a musical production in Yunnan province and falls in love with the leading lady of his stage musical. His career blossomed further with the TV series Stairway to Heaven that not only gave him exposure across Asia but also earned him the epithet of Mr. Tears by fans for his brilliant tear-jerking performance. Kwon expanded his acting pursuits beyond national borders and starred in Chinese films including with Jackie Chan in CJ12. Some of his other notable works are TV series Daimul and Temptation and film 71, Into the Fire and Once Upon a Time in High School. Apart from acting, he has also ventured as an entrepreneur with the cosmetics firm Natural Tears and the Cafe Tiaz. For 2006, Kwon starred in the big-budget action noir Running Wild, about a detective, a prosecutor and a criminal who are all equally vicious. Running Wild received satisfactory reviews but disappointing returns, and Kwon's next film Almost Love, a romantic comedy reteaming him with Kim Hae-nyal. He won a 2010 SBS Top Excellence Award for his role in the dramatic series Daimul.